Today we are working on counting. We're going to learn to count to 3. This is Peep, and Peep is going to help us. So today you need a crayon. So you get your crayon box and pick one color, or you can pick 2 or 3 colors. I picked blue. And you will need some math counters. You could use these. You could find some little pom-poms. You might use beans. Any little object you have will be a good counter. I'm going to use my pom-poms today. I will need 3 because we're working on numbers 1, 2, and 3 today. So I have a crayon and I have 3 math counters. Now these are tools, not toys. I'm going to use them to count. And the last thing you'll need is a pencil. Okay, so you need your counting paper, lesson 1.1, 3 counters, a crayon, and a pencil. All right, we're ready. So Peep is a mama bird, and she has a nest, and she's out flying and looking for worms for her babies. So in the first one, we're going to pretend like these are worms. Okay, so we'll pretend like Peep flew away and she put a worm in the nest for her babies. So let's count. How many worms? 1. So we're going to color over this box to show that there is 1 worm. So we'll color 1 worm. I need to try to stay in the lines so that it shows that Peep has 1 worm. All right. Now she flies away again and she's looking for worms, and she comes back, and here are the worms she found for her baby. Let's count. 1, 2. Peep found 2 worms. So let's color over the boxes. We always start at the bottom and then color up. So we're going to color 1 worm. I could take it off to remind myself that I colored 1. 2 worms. Okay. All right. Peep is flying again. And this time she found these worms. Let's count. How many did she find? 1, 2, 3. So I need to color 3 boxes. I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'll color 1. I could take this worm off to remind myself. Now I need to color 2. And now I color 3. It shows Peep found 1, 2, 3 worms. All right, so now we're going to do it over here. And here they didn't help us, so we have to do it on our own. You ready? Peep's flying to find some worms for her babies. And here's what she found. Can you tell how many? Let's see. 1, 2. Now show how many. So over here, we're going to show that Peep found 2 worms. 1, 2. Peep found 2 worms. 1, 2. All right. Now Peep goes flying away again to find more worms. She's a busy mama bird. And here are the worms she found. Let's count. I touch while I count. 1, 2, 3. So let's color. 1, 2, 3. This shows that Peep found 1, 2, 3 worms. I touch while I count. All right, and last one. Peep found 1 worm. There's 1 worm. Good job, Peep. Okay, now I'm going to pause and then we'll turn it over and I'll be back with the other side.